Happy International Moon Day! Today, we celebrate the first International Moon Day declared by the United Nations General Assembly on 9 December 2021 on the recommendation of the Committee on the Peaceful Uses of Outer Space. The date, 20 July, was chosen to honor the first ever human landing on the surface of the Moon by the Apollo 11 mission in 1969. International Moon Day not only commemorates this outstanding achievement, but also celebrates the achievements of all states in the exploration of our cosmic companion. From the first spacecraft to reach the Moon, the very first images of its surface, through robotic and crewed landings to the longest operational rover on the far side of the Moon, humanity has gone far in the last 6 decades. With this inaugural celebration, International Moon Day becomes a constant reminder of the ingenuity and endless desire of humanity to reach new frontiers and explore the unknown. As we look ahead, the list of planned missions fills us with the joy of uncovering new mysteries and breaking gender barriers. From the perspective of the United Nations, an entity built on the promise of developing friendly relations among nations, we are thrilled to see an ever stronger appetite for international cooperation in these endeavors. Together, we are much better equipped to take our ambitions to another level. On this newly declared commemorative day, join us at the Office for Outer Space Affairs and the international space community at large to raise public awareness about sustainable moon exploration and utilization. By promoting the value and transformative power of space exploration, let us work hand in hand to ensure that future endeavors are not only inspiring and groundbreaking, but also inclusive to benefit all of humanity. Let us ensure that space is there for everyone, everywhere.